By going with Energy Star rated equipment, you're not only saving the cost on the energy consumption of that individual piece of equipment, but it's a domino effect. It can transition into your HVAC system as well as the comfort of employees in said kitchen. I'm Glenn Yerke with Johnson Pike. We're coming to you today from the Johnson Pike JP Cafe in Denver, Colorado, to talk about energy-efficient food service equipment and available rebates in the market. Every end user should at least investigate this prior to purchasing a new piece of equipment. We have multiple ways of finding rebates for you to help cover the cost of new equipment.
Hi, my name is Nicole O'Rourke. I'm a new product development and marketing manager at American Range.
I'm the outreach manager for all the Colorado Electric programs. I have a team for actually work for Franklin Energy, but here we contract locally with Black Hills Energy.
For 18 years, I spent my career in the food service equipment center at SoCal Gas, where Energy Star equipment was our focus. Manufacturers work really hard to innovate their equipment so they can make the cooking process more efficient, but still get the production and recovery out of the piece of equipment. By buying an Energy Star piece of equipment, you're not sacrificing quality many times for efficiency. If you can't still produce the same amount and quality of food, many operators really don't care if they can't produce food. We want food production to be primary and also saving energy at the same time.
End users should know that you guys do offer rebates on electric equipment, but also gas equipment.
Exactly. Typically, most of the commercial rebates have been in the gas territories, just due to the nature of gas being the primary source in commercial kitchens. We're just now moving into electric equipment for the electric market. The gas side typically cover even as you were talking about the HVAC system.
A lot of times they have a cooler kitchen because less heat is going into the kitchen and more heat is going into their equipment. And that heat is being utilized in the cooking process versus just being excess heat going up your flue.
We have rebates for VFDs on your demand control ventilation systems that help with the makeup air, recovery air, to keep the kitchen nice and cool. And they control the fans so that they're not running full bore 100% of the time. They'll slow those down at the times when the business slows down, and also keep that comfort level for the employees. I was a kitchen employee for almost 30 years. I cooked in the kitchen, so being comfortable in the kitchen is near and dear to my heart.
Typically, those of us who worked in restaurants in our younger days, we seem to get this a bit more. I know it's often joked that in order to qualify or to submit for these energy rebates, it can be like jumping through a bunch of hoops, and a lot of end users are just nervous to even start this process.
Yeah, it's as easy as going to the Black Hills Energy website, paying to the program information that you're interested in, and reaching out to the 800 number or email that's there. We try to take all the pain out of that process and look for all the Energy Star listings that are required for the rebate application. Look for the information on the energy account. Basically, all we need is an invoice from the customer, and then to sign the application after we calculate a rebate amount that they're qualified for 4 to 6 weeks. They'll see a check.
To be Energy Star qualified, we send our equipment to an ISO certified lab to be tested. 2 things are tested when they test Energy Star equipment. Both the idle energy rate and the cooking efficiency is tested. And you have to pass both to be qualified for Energy Star. When you pass the test for Energy Star and your equipment qualifies, then you are able to put the Energy Star label on your piece of equipment, and you're also able to put that on the spec sheet. So if you don't see that on, especially the spec sheet, then you can assume that the piece has probably not been qualified. American Range, we have 2 pieces right now that qualify for Energy Star. We have a 50-pound fryer, and we also have a convection oven, both standard depth and bakery depth.
By going with Energy Star rated equipment, you're not only saving the cost on the energy consumption of that individual piece of equipment, but it's a domino effect. It can transition into your HVAC system, as well as the comfort of employees in said kitchen. I want to extend my gratitude to both Nicole with American Range and Frederick with Franklin Energy, Black Hills Energy. We truly appreciate you giving us the time and walking us through how end users can actually capitalizing on taking advantage of these energy rebates that are available nationwide. We represent many different manufacturers in the food service industry. If you have questions on any type of equipment and wondering what Energy Star rated equipment is available with each of those lines, please don't hesitate to reach out to Johnson Pike.